Hello, welcome to B Bodo classes. Today we'll discuss class 9 maths, some important MCQ questions from the chapter number system. So, first of all, some questions are given here. So, basically, the other 5 questions. So, how can you solve these 5 questions? First of all, see everybody. So, first question is the smallest whole number is. So, we are given 4 options. Option A 1, option B -1, option C √2, and option D 0. So, everybody know. So, the smallest whole number is what? Always 0. So, correct option is what? Option D. Because the whole number basically start from the 0. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. These numbers are known as what? Whole number, and the smallest whole number is what? 0. So option D equal to 0 is the right option. Now proceed to question number 2. Which of the following is not true? So which of the following is not true? So we are given 4 options. So options are: option A, every natural number is whole number; option B, real numbers are only rational; every integer is rational number; none of the above. So which of the following is not true? That means, so every natural number is a whole number. Because every natural number is a whole number, that statement is what? True. Similarly, every integer is a rational number. It is also what? True, because we can express every integer in the form of p by q. That is why option C, every integer is a rational number, it is also true. So none of that above, it may not be. So we have last option, that is option B, real numbers are only a rational number. So this statement is what? False, because real numbers can be classified into two types: real numbers. So one is called what? Rational number. One is rational and another is what? Irrational. Irrational. So real number, sometimes it may be rational number, sometimes it may be what? Irrational number. So real numbers are only rational. So sometimes it may be what? Irrational number. That is why it is the false statement. So question number 2, correct option is option number B. Then after, proceed to question number 3. Which of the following is an irrational number? So irrational number means those number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. So basically what happened, the rational numbers, sometimes it may be terminating, sometimes it may be non-terminating, repeating. So our question is, which of the following is an irrational number? So 0.27 bar. So it is actually non-terminating repeating rational number 2.7 bar, because we can represent rational number in the form of terminating, sometimes it may be non-terminating, repeating. If we observe 2.7 bar, it is non-terminating, repeating. So square root of 144 means what? 12. So 0.5252, it indicates what? After decimal 5252, it is what? Repeated. So it is non-terminating, but it is rational number. But if we observe option number D, 1 by root 3. So root 3 is always irrational number. So as a whole, 1 by root 3, it is an irrational number. So correct option is option number D. So similarly, question number 4, the value of 216 to the power -1 by 3. So 200, so using law of exponent, 216 to the power -1 by 3. So 216 means, so if we product 6 3 times, 6 into 6 into 6, that means 6 6 are 36, 36 into 6, 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 3 is 18 plus 3, 20, and 216. So 216 in exponential form. In exponential form, how can we express 216? So 216 to the power -1 by 3 means we can write 6 cube to the power -1 by 3. So law of exponent, this law, a to the power m whole to the power n means we can write a to the power mn. So that is why 6 to the power 3 into -1 by 3. So 3 cancel out. So 6 to the power -1 left. So this one equal to 1 by 6. According to law of exponent, a to the power -1 means 1 by a. So 216 whole to the power -1 by 3, its value equal to 1 by 6. So correct option is option number B, 1 by 6. Similarly, proceed to question number 5. So what is question number 5? So which of the following is a pair of co-primes? Co-prime means those prime number whose common factor is what? 1. Common factor 1, also we can say that HCF is what? 1. So for example, so here 4 options are given. Option A 2 4, option B 3 5, option C 4 2, option D 5 10. So 2 and 4, HCF is what? 2, because 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 4 2 HCF also 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 5 10 HCF, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. But if we observe option number B, what is given? 3 5. So factors of 3 is what? 1 into 3, and factors of 5 is what? 1 into 5. So highest common factor HCF, the HCF equal to 1. So since highest common factor of 3 and 5 is what? 1. So that is why 3 and 5, it is a pair of what? We'll discuss question number 6. So first of all, what is question number 6? The value of 6 root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3. So if we observe this type of questions seems to be very easy, but sometimes what happen, mistake may be there. So how can we solve this type of questions very easily? See here, everybody, 6 root 3, verbally we can solve it, 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3. So first of all, what are the positive terms? 6 root 3 and 2 root 3. So 6 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3. So 6 plus 2, 8 root 3, then minus 4 root 3. So 8 root 3 minus 4 root 3 means what? 4 root 3. So our correct option is option number D, 4 root 3. So this type of questions are easy, but sometimes mistake may be there. So when you solve this type of questions, so we should be very careful. Next question, proceed to question number 7. So what is question number 7? The decimal expansion of 23 divided by 5 cube into 2 square equal to, we are given 4 options. Option A 0.23, option B 0.023, option C 0.046, and option D 0.00046. So how can we solve this question? So first of all, 23 divided by 5 cube into 2 square. So how can we find decimal expansion of this type of rational number? So always try to convert the denominator in the form of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So here the denominator in the form of a to the power m into b to the power n. So first of all, what to do? Highest power of 5 is what? 3, and highest power of 2 is what? 2. So the power should be same. The highest power of 5 is what? 3, and 2 is 2. So to make it 3, so we have to product a denominator by 2 to the power 1, numerator also by 2 to the power 1 means 2. So right now we can use using law of exponent, 5 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3. So 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Now 46 divided by law of exponent a to the power m into b to the power n means, m means you can write a into b whole to the power m. So ultimately 5 to the 10. So 10 cube divided by 46. So 46 10 cube means what? 1230. So the decimal form of this rational number is 0.046 because there are 30. So 0.046. So we are given 4 options. So our correct option is option number C, 0.046. So this type of questions we can solve in this way. Very easy process. So and this type of question is very, very important for upcoming exams. So now proceed to question number 8. So what is question number 8? If m to the power 3 by 2 equal to 8, then the value of m. So we are given 4 options. Option A 16, option B 4, option C 2, option D 8. So for what value of m? M to the power 3 by 2 equal to 8. So different values of m's are given. So we can solve these questions verbally. If we substitute m equal to 16 suppose. If we substitute m equal to 16, m to the power 3 by 2, m equal to 16 to the power 3 by 2. So 4 square all to the power 3 by 2. So 4 square into 3 by 2. So 2 cancel, ultimately 4 cube left. 4 cube means what? 64. So it is wrong answer. Similarly, if we substitute m equal to 4, m equal to what? 4. So m to the power 3 by 2. If we substitute m equal to 4, so 4 to the power 3 by 2. So 4 can be expressed 2 square whole to the power 3 by 2. So using law of exponent, a to the power m whole to the power n means a to the power m into m. So 2 to cancel out. So ultimately 2 cube means what? 8. So it is right hand side. So the correct option is what? If the value of m equal to 4, then m to the power 3 by 2 gives what? 8. So correct option is what? Option number B, it is 4. Next question number 9, it is one of the important questions. So how can you solve this question? See here. So if root over 2 equal to 1.41, root over 2, the value of root over 2 already given 1.41, then find the value of root over 18. So root over 18 means we can write 3 square into 2. 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. So ultimately 3 root 2. So 3 into the value of root 2 is given as what? 1.41. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4. So 4.23. So option A, it is given. So option A 4.23. So it is the correct option. Now we'll discuss the last question, question number 10. So what is question number 10? 0.235 bar in the form of P by Q. So we are given four option. Option A 235 by 1000, option B 235 by 100, option C 233 by 990, option D 233 by 99. So how can you solve this question? See here. So first of all, let x equal to 0.235 bar. Ultimately 0.235 bar means what? After decimal 353535, it is repeated infinite number of times. So after decimal, since 2 digit repeated, then product by 100. So 100 into x equal to 100 into 0.2353535 dot 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 till infinity. So it indicate 100x equal to, when you product by this one by 100, so it becomes 23.535353 dot 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 till infinity. Suppose it is equation number 1 and this one equation number 2. So now 2 minus 1 implies, so left side of 2 is what? 100x, and it is what? X. So when you subtract 233.53 5353 dot 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 minus 0.23535 dot dot dot. So ultimately this one become 99x equal to, so 23 point, so it is 35, it is 35, all are 35, it becomes 0. 5 minus 2 gives what? 3. So ultimately x equal to 233.3 by 99. The x means ultimately what? 0.235 bar. So if we eliminate decimal, it becomes 233 by 990. So we are given 4 options out of 4 options. So if we observe option number C, 233 by 990 is the correct option. That is why 0.235 bar in the form of P by Q. That means it is decimal form and it is what? Rational form. Option C, 233 by 990. So in this way we can solve different types of MCQ questions related to chapter 1, that is number system. Okay, to know more, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for